So I've been doing this a long time, and I'm 6'3", squished into a front seat of a car, and I've had a lot of aches and pains. And if you've been driving for a while, you probably have had some aches and pains. Your feet can hurt, your legs can hurt, your hips can hurt, your shoulders can hurt, right? Your neck can hurt. A lot of different things can hurt. With me, it's mostly my knees and my legs. Here we go. So in today's video, we're going to cover 5 things you can do to heal your aching body. One of them is doing what I'm doing now, which is an ice bath. So stick around. Here we go. Hey everybody, it's Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy, drinking some coffee. So, by way of background, I told Harry that I wanted to write an article about strategies to heal the body because I've learned a few more. Harry, with that razor sharp memory of his, says, I think you've done a video about that. I says, but Harry, I've got a few extra new techniques that I've learned. He said, okay, go for it. So as a result of that, you're going to get to see me getting into an ice bath later today, but it'll show up on this video, of course. So let's jump right in. Number 1, get regular massages. All right. So I've since the age of early 20s, I've been getting massages. Part of my love of Thailand is it's a massage culture, and they're super, relatively speaking, cheap there. So when I'm in Thailand, I get 2 a week, and I feel great all the time. Here in America, I get 1 every 2 weeks, but it just heals you. You know, it not only does it heal your body, but it just makes you feel good. Your spirit feels uplifted once you've taken care of yourself in that way. You know, you lie down, it's warm, they've got some nice music playing, someone's hands are just, working those muscles. It's really fantastic, totally worth the money. And if you're a driver, it's almost essential that you go out and get a massage once in a while just to get everything loose. Number 2, start every day with a cold shower. So let me explain exactly how the cold shower works. So you start off with a hot shower, right? You do all your stuff, whatever soaping and shampooing and cleaning that you do. And then this is how I do it, and this is how I was taught. I turn music on because it's an intense experience. So I have some loud music playing. I've got a list, shower songs of songs that are at least 5 minutes long that are pretty great. And then what you do is you turn the nozzle to cold and you let it hit you, get your head in your face for 20 seconds, and then you turn it back to hot for 10 seconds. And then you repeat that 10 times. So you're going to do a total of 5 minutes. And there's something about going cold and hot, which is super good for your body. And it has all sorts of benefits. So what I do is I start off with my front, then I turn around and I do my back, and then I do my side, and then I do my front again. Then I repeat that. So you don't have to do that. You could just do, the whole thing, hitting your front. They say the water hitting your upper back is the best spot to hit. But I just do all parts of my body. So it's an intense 5 minutes, but by the end of the 5 minutes, man, you feel amazing, right? You could feel like, I don't want to do anything today. And you come out of that shower feeling like, let's go. I can do anything. Number 3, when you're driving once an hour, right? You got a passenger and you're waiting, get out of your car and walk around your car 5 times, okay? Just get your legs moving, get your body moving, and try and do that at least once an hour. And that really helps, right? Just sitting in the same position. Have you ever been in your car for 6 solid hours and then you get out, you can hardly stand? This strategy will stop that from happening because you're kind of keeping limber by moving around your car, just walking around your car once an hour. Number 4, in your car, shift your legs positions. So if these are my legs, right, and I'm, I got the gas and the brake. Typically my legs are kind of like this. They're kind of leaning against the center console and leaning against the left side, the door. So what I do is when I notice that, then I move them like this, so they're more parallel and hitting the pedals in a different way. And that uses different parts of my leg so that I'm not constantly using the same one. So just move things around a little bit and experiment with different ways you can move your legs and feet around so that they're not always locked in the same position. And that's actually made a big impact on my legs. Okay, number 5 is the weekly ice bath. So at this point, I'm going to say that this is what ChatGPT said about the ice bath. An ice bath is a therapeutic technique that involves immersing the body in ice cold water for a short period of time. While the practice may seem daunting, it has been known to provide numerous health benefits. For instance, an ice bath can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after intense workouts or physical activity. It can also improve circulation, reduce swelling, and promote healing of injured tissues. Additionally, an ice bath can help decrease stress and anxiety, improve mood, and increase alertness. However, it is important to note that ice baths should be used in moderation and under the supervision of a healthcare professional to avoid any potential risks or adverse effects. So, and then what I'm showing you now, this is the actual ice bath, which I purchased from Amazon. It was only $66. Okay. So, the other component of the ice bath is the discipline it instills. So I'm going to jump into an ice bath later today, and I'm going to record that, and you're going to see that, shortly. And yeah, you feel like, oh my God, what am I doing? I'm crazy. It's winter, it's raining outside, and I'm going to put ice into a bath and I'm going to get into it. And you're about to see that right now. I can't imagine the water getting colder than this. I guess if I'm at 45, I guess it can get down to like 33. And that would be quite cold. If the goal is to get me to shivering, this works. Let's see what the thermometer says. Yeah, 46, I think. Oh, that was something. Creating little waves in here. Look at the ice. I'm literally in a bath with ice. Okay. It's funny as you get closer to it, even though you've done 9/10 of the work, the time slows down. Should probably have an assistant here. I'm afraid to get out. Gotten comfortable in my ice bath here. Okay, let's see. All right, so what are the key takeaways? Well, as drivers, we have to take care of our bodies. That's like job number 1, because if our bodies won't do the work, we can't do the work, and we can't make the money and experience all the benefits of being a rideshare driver. So I know a lot of men and women who have not taken care of their bodies, and as they get older, their bodies just start to break down. So doing the massages, staying limber, doing the ice baths, doing the cold showers in the morning. These are things that are going to allow you, not just with rideshare driving, but just in life in general, to keep your body going. Keep your body going. So that's what this video was all about. So I want to say thanks for watching. I hope you got some value out of it. You enjoyed seeing me freeze myself in an ice bath. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Be safe out there, and go tell someone you love them, and go do an ice bath. All right, bye for now.